Evolution. Written by Surajit Dutta, B.Sc, Honours in Zoology, University of Calcutta. This presentation, explain evolution in the most simplest way possible. I hope student of zoology, biology, botany, genetics, microbiology, biomedical sciences, from bachelor and master degree, will find it useful. Anyone having deep interest in evolution will also find it useful. What is evolution? Give examples. Evolution can be defined as large or small changes, with time, in organisms' population, whether bacteria, viruses, animals, or plants. Some biologists support large, or macroevolutionary changes, from the fossil record, which is called punctuated equilibrium. It is characterized by the absence of fossils, over long periods of time. Examples of evolution are 1. Antibiotic resistance in bacteria, 2. Natural selection in moths, or industrial melanism, 3. Warfarin resistance in mice, 4. DDT resistance in mosquitoes, 5. Malaria resistance in people within endemic areas, 6. Sickle cell trait with malaria resistance feature, 7. HIV resistance in some female sex workers, etc. Evolution is going on, in front of us. Examples are everywhere. This figure shows how different animals evolved from universal common ancestor. Modern human is also part of this evolutionary tree. Human is the product of evolution from single-celled organisms. What is punctuated equilibrium? Punctuated equilibrium is a type of evolution, where large, or macroevolutionary changes occur suddenly, in a population due to environmental changes, or empty niches. Sudden extinction of animals causes such empty niches, which is filled by different animals through rapid evolution. Example of punctuated equilibrium: extinction of dinosaurs create the empty niches for mammalian evolution. What is niche? Niches can be defined as an organism's role in its environment. What is natural selection? Natural selection can be defined as a method used by nature to select varieties or variants of organisms with unique qualities, which will leave more children or progenies in nature. Describe natural selection for disease resistance in human and how it affects human evolution. Variants or varieties are always present in nature. Some have blue eyes, others have black eyes. Likewise, people do have disease-resistant, or no disease-resistant qualities. Nature selects from varieties, who will survive, and will evolve into different kinds. Diseases will always act on behalf of nature's natural selection. Some people are dying out, since they do not have natural resistance to a particular disease. This resistance comes from the different combination of unique genes, inherited from our parents. Those peoples with disease-resistant qualities will survive and inherit such resistant qualities to their children. With such qualities, the subsequent generation will be more resistant to a particular disease. Malaria resistance is an example. What is artificial selection? Give examples. The disease resistance in human is an example, which shows natural selection in human, where nature play a role in selecting varieties or variants with good qualities. Humans also play a similar role, which is called artificial selection. Artificial selection is a process where humans select which two animals, with unique qualities or varieties, will leave their offspring in nature. Examples are different breeds of dogs, horse, cattle, chicken, pigeons, etc. The picture shows that, due to centuries-long artificial selection, or selective breeding by humans, led to so much difference in these two dogs, that they are not recognizable as the same species. They represent the species known as Canis familiaris. What are the evidences in favor of evolution? The evidences of evolution are vestigial features, missing links, atavistic characters, fossil records, anatomical similarity, embryonic similarity, molecular similarity, etc. Vestigial features are those non-functional or with little functioning organs or characters which are functional in other related animals. For example, nictitating membrane or third eyelid in human, tailbone, or coccyx in human, etc. These picture shows human tailbone or coccyx and nictitating membrane, or third eyelid, or plica semilunaris in human. Atavistic characters are those features which were present in early ancestors and sometimes suddenly reappear in modern forms. For example, sometimes human babies are born with a tail. Missing links are intermediate between two animals. For example, pre-human stages, Australopithecus, Dryopithecus. These stages show how modern humans evolved from early pre-human ancestors. Archaeopteryx shows both reptilian and avian, or bird-like characters. This is also an example of a missing link. Fossil records show that many animals became extinct in the past. Not all animals exist from the time of creation of Earth according to religious beliefs. Gradual changes in fossilized animals led to the modern animals that people see today. Molecular evidence shows that the DNA sequence of human matches chimpanzee, which shows that they evolved from the same common ancestors. This also supports evolution. Anatomical similarities support evolution. The humerus, radius, ulna are part of the forelimbs of human, bat, rat, whale, dolphin, chicken, tiger, frog, toad, etc. This picture shows that the forelimb of human, bat, frog, horse, and porpoise have same kind of bones and anatomically similar to support evolution. Embryonic similarity also support in favor of evolution. For example, pharyngeal slits are present in embryonic stages of human, chicken, cow, carp, shark, etc. This picture shows that these 5 vertebrates have pharyngeal slits in embryonic stages which indicate that they evolved from a common ancestor.